It's time to pick some figs. There's no dragon fruit to pick today, so we are going to pick some Chicago hardy figs. We first identified the figlets on July 18th, 2025. Today is October 4th. So it has been 78 days since we identified those figlets. 78 days of growth, and I think that we have ripe Chicago hardies. Oh, that's soft. Yeah, they're ready to pick. This one here is ready to pick. We've already eaten 2 figs off of this tree. I'm gonna collect these 2, and that'll leave only the one over here, which is still small. These are Chicago hardy figs from Costco. Let's see how they taste. This is what they look like. Cut them open. These Chicago hardy figs are tiny. We're looking at about an inch top to bottom. It's another inch here. It wasn't very sweet, but it was pleasant. Chicago hardy. It's the first fruiting, so maybe next summer get a little sweeter.